Hi, so welcome to this version of Market Watch for on 17th of August. So let's do a quick analysis of the market and where we stand. So from a data perspective, it seems like there is a good Tech Mahindra and together with NAM India, these two stocks they went towards their respective targets and they are trending very near their day's high. And it seems like going forward, NAM India, if it's able to close above 400, would be a good candidate. Similarly, ACL Tech and Tata Consumer, this was something which which I tweeted in the morning, and from the 8:20 it went past 8:35 levels, and this was also a good trade. And it seems like maybe this will again try to consolidate between 810 and 820 from here. Jubilant Food is also going strong, and it is also going for all-time highs. Nestle India is also looking strong, and together with that, IRCTC is able to at least move past 2650 levels. So these are the stocks together with TCS and Titan also made an all-time high, and after that there's some profit booking. We have to see the closing. And Britannia is also one of the stocks जो हमने पहले आइडेंटिफाई किया था from 3600 levels और अभी ये 3700 तक चली गई है. So these are few of the stocks which are looking good. Colpal is trying to give a reversal. अगर आप Colpal का chart खोलोगे, so basically you will see that this is since last few sessions it has been consolidating. And let's see, कल भी हमने ये discuss किया था कि we will be interested in Colpal only above 1700 levels. Lupin in the morning had a sort of a good run, but we already discussed that Lupin is one of the weak stocks. So जब तक ये 1000 के ऊपर closing नहीं देती, we won't be interested. And as you can see that right now there was a huge profit booking. AU Bank also is trading near its all-time high regions, and so here you can see there's some buying interest happening. Maybe going forward there will be more move if it is able to cross the levels of 1340. Manappuram is also dancing between 170 and 172. There's not much happening. We saw some good profit booking in some of the OMCs, and so basically just like in the IOC, I was able to close my BTSD trade from yesterday, and also BPCL you can see. And now IOC is trading roundabout at 105 levels, where in the morning it was past 108 levels. And similarly same pattern is emerging in BPCL, and it seems like closing below 460 from a breakout below 465 can drive it towards 460 levels. Sorry. GMR इंफ्रा ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, और यहाँ पे ये 29 को ब्रेक करके एक अच्छी मूव देने की कोशिश की towards 30, but if there was a huge profit booking which happened, and going forward it seems like there will be more weakness in GMR infra if it's not able to close above 29 levels. Indian Hotels is down. Oro Pharma made a new 52-week low, and this was one of the stocks we have earlier discussed. Maruti हमने कल 7000 से short किया था, and today it went towards 6750 levels. I think it will now consolidate between 6750 and 6500 levels for some time. In Petro, just like BPCL is down, and so basically it's and it seems like it's getting in trend. So maybe going forward it will have more weakness. Is also true for Bandhan Bank. It seems like there are more short positions which are getting created, and we have to see if it is able to reverse from 290 levels. If not, then until so every time it will come towards 300, there will be some shorts getting created or profit bookings. Federal Bank is also down towards 83. Zeal is one of the stocks जिसको हमने since 200 levels we have been I have been telling you that this is a week, and so now you can see it's now way below 180. State Bank of India ये हमने कल डिस्कस किया था that this is a very good short candidate for today, and that's what we did. From 425 levels in the opening, it's now down towards 418, and I closed my shorts over here. I think it will try to consolidate between 415 and 420 for some time, and eventually I think at the end of the day, from the looks of what we have right now, it seems like there can be more weakness going forward in this counter, and that is also true for Apollo Tire. So from a Nifty perspective, Nifty 50 perspective, State Bank of India is one of the stocks which is really weak. Tata Power also I discussed in the morning. It was trading at 131, and I said this is a perfect short candidate. From there you can see it easily went towards 129 levels, and now it's trading around about at 130. So basically this was also a very good short which we created. Naukri is also weak, and it seems like there is more weakness if the levels of 5350 is not maintained. Amaraja Battery is going towards 700 level. It's a weak. Bank of Baroda is also weak. So is IndusInd Bank is also trying to get some support from 1000 levels, and so we will be tracking IndusInd Bank for some reversal. Coal India was one of the stocks we discussed on the weekend and also yesterday. It's a weak stock, and from there 142 levels you can see it's now breached 140 and is trading round about at 138 levels. Tata Motors also breached 300 levels and is trading near 295. Going forward, we have to see if it is able to close above 300, else the more weakness is going to come in. CUB is the City Union Bank, और ये हमने weekend में discuss किया as a very good short candidate, and this is also then it was around about at 150, and from 150 it's now down to 144 levels, and Glenmark is definitely one of the counters which we had identified from 600 levels, and right now it's very near to 550. So these are few of the stocks which are looking really weak, and going forward there can be more weakness. So only the sector which is working is sort of a few of the FMCG names, just like Jubilant Food, Nestle, Tata Consumer, Britannia. So these are a few, Titan also. So these are a few of the counters which are trying to move, other than of course the IT branch. From a data perspective, Apollo Hospital is looking really strong. So कल तक ये 4200 levels का breakout देखे, आज from 4400 it's very near to 4800s. So this was a good trade, and similarly Aarti Industries is also one of the candidates जिसमें we booked profit in the morning, and so going forward we have to see the closing. Maybe if it is unable to hold the levels of 950 where it's trading right now, there can be more weakness towards the levels of 935. Cummins India is also one of the stocks we identified early in the morning in the very first 15-20 minutes, and then it was trading around about below 1000 levels, and this actually made an all-time high. This was identified together with LTTS and LTI जो मैंने उस टाइम पे ट्वीट किया था. From a data perspective, from a weakness perspective, there's a huge weakness in Canara Bank, which is already down nearly 3%. So all the PSUs, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, all these banks together with the State Bank of India, they are down. So of course don't try to do a bottom fishing over here, because going forward from the data it seems like there's some really good bad news which is going to come in, and theoretically the data formation is like that. Or maybe the bad news is already out, and so I really don't follow news that much, but what I do actually have faith in is in my algorithm of trending and trend and momentum, and so from the data it seems like there is definitely not going good till now. So let's if we try to look into where this particular Nifty 50 is poised, and Nifty 50 और कितनी चल सकती है. So very short, we have Wipro, Infi over here, and together with that we have Tech Mahindra and SCL Tech. So EHR, TCS over here. So all the IT counters are definitely working, which is already a known thing. And going forward, there's also some buying interest happening in Tata Consumer, Asian Paint, Nestle India, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever. So there is also some buying interest from this data. So right now it seems like Power Grid has moved past 183 levels, and it went very near to 184. Going forward there can be more weakness in this stock if it is unable to hold the levels of 182. And so these are few of the big names. और अगर हम weakness में देखें, so basically you have Coal India, Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank, which is not that much of a problem. We have to see where Kotak and ICICI are placed. Axis is here, has been State Bank of India, ICICI. Okay, so the banking is definitely down, and so I would definitely suggest to stay away from Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank. So these are all this small buying support which is trying to come in and trying to stabilize, and ITC is way below 210, and it seems like there is more weakness going to come into it. This is also true for LT, where it seems like there is more weakness if the levels of 1640 are breached. Grasim is also weak, and this might have something to do with the Idea Vodafone news. So there's not much happening. The only thing which can be a good reversal candidate from here is Maruti, and so definitely. But Bajaj Finance is down. So basically, the financials and the banking is down. Say BPCL is trading at very much at day lows. Maruti is trying to move past 6800. Try to keep track on this one, and maybe Maruti will try to get a support from these levels. Sun Pharma is same thing. It's unable to move past 800. जब तक 800 नहीं जाएगी हम we won't be interested. And it seems like there's some buying interest coming in auto. Though Aisha Moto is down, and Aisha Motor we have been shorting since much higher levels when 2700 was breached, and from there in 2-3 sessions is very much near to below 2500, and so is also Bajaj Auto is trying to move towards 3800 levels, which is going to be a tough resistance for now. So from the looks of it, it seems like IT and pharma, these are the two IT and FMCG, these are the two sectors which are conservative sectors. So it seems like money is definitely flowing to these sectors, and definitely money is coming out of sort of banking. This is the status as of now. Nifty is right now trading very near to 16,500, and from going forward it would just be a matter of seeing how they balance each other and whether they would be able to move past this day's high what we have got. Thanks a lot for listening. And from pharma perspective, we have Cipla, but it was also unable to move past 900, so we will keep a track on Cipla and try to see if it is able to go past 900. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in